So I have done the drilling, two here for here and one more for here. We will place it here, getting it out. One more for get this house ESC's sensors wire to make it more clean. Nice. Here. One more. I think I can place it here. Putting my wires up. Okay, here one wire. Now we will screw all these wires. Okay, now I have set it all these screws.
And make sure to tie them really tight because the vibration can cause it unscrew.
Yeah.
And before you pass it through here and bolt or everything here, you must check that these ESC connections are labeled before you pass through them, because now you will never know that which ESC has which wire.
Oh yeah.
So my friend is here connecting the ESC to the KK board. Take some time, but patience.
It's a very time taking process.
Yeah, because it is a scratch build. What we can do?
Just you can enjoy it.
Yeah.
Now one left. Oh yeah, this is one.
So
I have to cut this out more.
we are using a FS
CT6B.
transmitter, and here's the receiver of it.
I think I had pulled it.
And you can just let the antenna wiggle.
Somewhere.
You don't need to do anything. And if you want, you can take the buzzer.
But it's too alarming.
You can have some ear problems, but we are going to attach this anyway. So it is going to be right here at the buzzer. You can see that here it is the point.
I'm passing it from here for a more clarification. Okay, yeah.
Black is the negative and white is the positive. These are the Emax MT2204 with 12A Emax ESCs. Pretty loud motors. As you can see, there are bullet connectors under each, and then we are going to just stick them like that.
Okay, the buzzer is about here. Getting all wires down.
And in the beneath, you can see that it has a Velcro strap
for the battery.
And we are going to attach a
The
battery
battery.
to